step into the Kia 2020 Optima EX. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 1.6L-liter inline four-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 1.6-liter inline four-cylinder DOHC engine, 178 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, AC power outlet, 1 adaptive cruise control and air conditioning with dual-zone climate control. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.